So to change your TurboTax to the free version, you need to do a downgrade on your TurboTax plan. And please keep in mind that not everyone can file their taxes for free on TurboTax, only if you meet certain conditions like doing simple tax return. Then you can file your taxes both in federal and state for free completely. This is what TurboTax included as simple tax return. Feel free to take a screenshot or pause the video for a bit. Either way, the first way to do it, right after you signing in to your TurboTax account, click on Tax Home button, then hit the Personal Info section, and click on Continue button, or any other button that states to work on your taxes. On this window, you want to go to the bottom left of your screen and click on Switch Product button, and then here, tap on Downgrade button, which will open up this page, and you may scroll down. Then, tap on Downgrade to Free Edition button, and there you go. You just saved some money on TurboTax. But for those of you who do not get this downgrade button, or when you already do a downgrade, but you still have to pay for something, unfortunately all we can do are click right here on Clear and Start Over button, which will essentially remove all of your progress on the TurboTax, but this will give you the chance to do file taxes for free. Either way, just click on Clear and Start Over button, and tap on I want to clear my tax data button. Here, click on Yes, Clear My Tax Data button, and then hit on Continue button. After that, you may click on Got It button. You want to pay attention at this window because you have to uncheck of all the checklist if you ever find the checklist is on. Literally every checklist, you want to make sure to uncheck it. This way, TurboTax would not include any of their products to you and make you pay. Don't worry, as you progressing, you can still fill up the sections later on. And after that, on the bottom, you want to click on Continue button. Here, you want to choose on Comfortable on My Own, and then hit the Continue button. And there you go. TurboTax did not including any of their products, and you can file your taxes for free. Right here, you can just click on Start for $0. In this section, you may choose on any choice that you feel more suitable for yourself, and then hit on Continue button. On this window, you can start to file your taxes. And you can also do a double check on how many do you have to pay to TurboTax. Just go to your top right of the screen and click on Price Preview. Then, as you can see, right now, I can file my taxes for $0 on TurboTax. Just keep in mind, later on, as you fill up the form that you need to file the tax return, some tax form on TurboTax or their product may cost your money to get to, but usually they will inform you in the first place to say that you need to pay first to get their form or products. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.